song rolled full and sweet. It swayed the universe with tones sublime. It shook the mighty monarchies of crime, and held within its eloquence complete a prophecy of Satan's sure defeat. Over earth's waving fields and wavy shore, over her pomp and glory, pride and gold, or earth's magnificence in cities old, or nature's artless beauty sped the word. Fresh from the living presence of the Lord, and wise men marveled at his mystic lore. Not only to the mighty did it come, into the dark and hovels of the poor. Swift did the heralds their glad message bear, on noiseless wings of heaven's mystic door, revealing all the hidden glory there. And lo, the prophet saw his living Lord, his matchless throne and gracious seraphim. He heard the message of the King of Kings, and when the pearly gates swung back again, and the blessed vision vanished from his sight, he trod the paths of this world's starless night, as one who had beheld the eternal things. And from his burning pen, blood prophecies caught holy wings, and from the sacred scroll flew to the earth's remotest boundary, fraught with redemption for the ruined soul. Ages passed by, the holy prophet slept. Man hears no more the music of his voice. His image was not on the picture's feet. Let's try the page of his choice. It's real, it's glad, let it go. Over a world of sorrow, wrath, and wept. Hush was the holy night, the wise and God. Isaiah's 20 was the message. Their glad lives made one wondrous and many. Upheld and guided by the hand of God, that made the forest celestial. Onward it moved in majesty of land. Mellow winds swinging their flight to earth. Brought with glad tidings which she was heard. Then ascending to the throne divine, the salvation of the whole king. For heaven's own rule, the wondrous glory speaks. Sure sees her rapture, so nor stroke. The easy angels does not stay at home. Left the realm of heaven, was the straight. The sun of faith universe could the wonders of a great redemption plan, the scheme to rescue fallen human man. O prophets of the day, Isaiah spake of Christ's first coming to a world of sin. Today, his inspired prophecy awaits, and yet a newer triumph him within. Sing till in heaven, take up the rapturous strain. Jesus has come, and he shall come again. Not as before, a meek and lowly child. Not as before, to die upon the cross. Not as before, in darkness remain. To suffer, to suffer, to suffer for a world of sinners lost. He comes to treasure up her grain and gold. He comes to cast away her chaff and dross, to separate the pure from the defiled, not from a humble stable shall he rise,